Friends, today I am again going to show you some such paranormal videos which will surprise you and you will be forced to listen and you will start feeling scared. So let's start the video. Friends, this video is of a house in which a man is sleeping comfortably in his house. Then suddenly his window curtain starts moving by itself and things in his room start falling, and this whole scene gets recorded in the CCTV camera. But this man was still sleeping. But when he made his scary voice, then that person wakes up after hearing this scary voice, and he starts looking from where this voice came. Friends, you must have seen how worried this man gets. Then he gets up again and starts drinking water. Then he sees a scary face and this person gets scared and falls unconscious. Two friends. This video is very scary in which it can be seen who is this, who was walking inside the graveyard at early night, seeing which it seemed as if she was a human being. But what is this that sometimes inside the graveyard, and then she was roaming on the road and she was not visible to anyone, and her face was also very scary to look at, which you can also see, friends. Did you see what was this, which was scary in appearance and also looked like a human being? This could be paranormal too. But what do you think? Please tell us in the comments. Friends, this video of ours ends here, and to see such videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.